Yo, what's up, guys? This in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a clicker simulator game in Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is make the UI. I'm gonna rename mine. Let's just do that main GUI. We should add an image button. Mm, nah, wait, let's not add an image button. A normal text button, and drag it down here. Also, make sure that you make the anchor point of this 0.5, 0.5. We'll need that later. Now make this 1, 0. Boom. Then we can scale it down to a circle. So I'm gonna do 100 by 100. By the way, I have my friend with me right now. I don't know why he's just not talking. Um. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna emoji. All right. So I got my button, and I want to do this. Yes. Let's just do that. Let's get this here. Which one we're gonna use that? I should probably scale this down. Fix. So 75 sounds good. Okay, that's kind of like made anchored weird. So we want to add this and background transparency 1, and then we can center it. We can center it, not censor it. We also should probably add the UI corner to this for yeah, you'll see. Studs. Boom. Now the image should be studs. So then we can change the index to be more than it. So let me do that. That did not work. Why did that not work? Not seeming to do anything. I'm just going to like make this the actual thing. Big button. That. That. And then I'll just copy everything up that there. Background color. Boom. Boom. And let's see. Alright, guys, so we want to make this UI like this. So as you can see, that works way better. And then you can do that with this. and make it anchor point. There is, and yeah, we're done. Actually, wait, what's the motivation? Davis. Yes, so we're gonna miss. Okay, now this is what it should be expected to like be like. So now we can add a UI stroke. You can change it to like this if it's something else. Gonna be like important later on why you should do that. I'm probably gonna change the color and no, never mind. I guess not. Actually, it might make it like no. I'm just gonna make it black. Mhm. So then let's make this like that actually. So this looks good. We can call this uh click. Then we can add a local script to this, which we are going to edit later. Because right now, I literally just forgot about this. Name this leader stats. And we're gonna add data store as well, because, yeah, or not. Um, data from moving, yeah. And now I'm just gonna set up this stuff. Um, the next, I'm playing moving, game, bind to close, function, and then for is focus. Now we add our variables. And the player's variable, by the way. Okay, guys. So I just finished setting mine up. So if you ever want to like reset it, then just change this to something else, like one, like add some numbers or something. Then that's. Let's see. We should add some leader stats. Um, so we can like make this work. Um, so do that. And then here's what we're gonna do. Make sure you put this in the order I'm doing it in. And also make sure it's a number value. I have a short explaining why you should probably use that. Unless it's like not necessary, but I mean, no, I didn't explain why it's not necessary, but that doesn't it's like yeah, let's just like add that so the player doesn't like break the game and then it like actually like they like grind and they don't get like, negative stuff. So that would be terrible. Or just not know remember. Alright, let's do this. Reader stop name reasons. Also guys, I plan on using on like getting like a mic soon. Um so I can like speak like better, you know? So so then we like just create this here. Let's see here. Layer dot leader stats. Let's data dot fix 10. So now basically we just want to copy this over and then change clicks to this here, here, and here. Now we copy this whole thing, else then this, we just make it 0. Let me add a warning. Warning. Failed to get data. Yeah, let's just do that. So now this is going to be really easy. We just have to create a table. Clicks equals, here. Now we, like key data, set async, player ID, and data to save. So this is going to save multiple datas for us. If you ever need to edit this part of the table, you just gotta add your extra thing in, and it should work. And now we can go over here. Also, make sure you add a little folder here and call it like remotes just to stay organized. And then add click so that saves properly. And then we're just gonna do script.parent. Go add click equals. No. Okay. Duplicates. Add click equals short wait for child add click remotes child add click. Also, if I don't talk in the video, it's probably just the fact that I'm forgetting. I'm gonna be real here. So now we can do root.parent dot mouse button one click connect function, then boom, add click fire server. And now we can just make serve the events server event handle that, and then go add click equals, yeah, big storage equals game get service replicated then storage, then go remotes goes levels upgrade storage make sure remotes. We can just change that, but we're probably gonna like use this in the future. It's gonna be really useful. So then add click that on server event connect function boom. Yeah, there's that. Mm-hmm. I'm probably gonna do this. So layer that's leader stats dot clicks dot value plus equals 1. And so now we can go over here. Again, attach. So let's see. I don't think this. Yeah, I had to publish this, but I've got to turn on API services. Oh yeah, this was like a command I did for something else. Kind of practicing like this video. Click, click. Let's just call that. Click, 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 tutorial. Yeah, let's just call it that. Doesn't really matter. Go. let's go and edit the game settings. Boom, boom. I don't think this is gonna work because I failed to get data. Let's see here. Oh, but it's not a glitch because we already have we always have 0. Oh, or I was not expecting that to happen. I don't really care. It's good for me, I guess. And now, if I join, this should not say. This doesn't matter if you always have 0 clicks. Yeah, it's gonna work. And if I manually change these to like, let's say like this, and I leave, join back, and yeah, it saves. So I actually change these back. Alright, so this is now we're going to add this and then script dot parent dot mouse enter connect function. Okay, now this is where let's yeah, let's just do this. I'm assuming that's gonna work. With this actually. So I'm assuming that so this is like to like tween the thing, and this is why we need an anchor point. So it should uh I had to do that for mouse sleeve to go back to the original size. Also, make sure that this stuff is on the skeleton. Sorry, that was my friend. I don't know what that was. What was that? You died in Geometry Dash? Bruh, why did you die in Geometry Dash, man? Oh, that did not work. Let's see here. That's fine. It's just it's good. I hate like that. It's not circular, and that's okay. Wait, let me see if this is. Let's see here. Let's make it. So that's gonna be better. The measure and so local like original size equals script dot parent dot size script dot parent dot mouse leave connect function. Yes, I want to do this. So now it should work on the mouse leaves as well. Uh-huh. Now we should probably like let's put one down. So script dot parent between size. Let's see here. UDMI 2 Dutch ooh. Let's see here. It's the size. Let's size. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do. 0.005, 0, comma 0.1, comma 0. My enum using direction. Comma enum using style do like exponential, no back, and then let's do that like faster. So let's see. Okay. So the tween works. Oh, um, so that's a bit weird. Uh, I don't know what happened to that. But widget must be underneath plugin. Let's see here. Looks like this is that's for this. So we'll go. Let's see here. So, wait. Yes, that's what I wanted to do. And I still think it's that it's gonna have the same result. Okay, let's see what's even happening. Open this, wait, this, try. Okay, maybe I messed up a bit, and that's fine. Here, let's make this like 6. Yeah, that looks better. Maybe make it 7. Um, okay, now we need to definitely like shrink this. Yeah, shrink. Well, I don't know, honestly. Well, that's like something, yeah, this is what the expectation. So that works. This could also work as well. I just did this for some reason. I probably should have done that before. You know what? I'll just give it that. That's just gonna be like the odd one out because I don't want to risk that. Then that's what one up. Let's see. That's not function. What the heck is this? This is exactly what I want. Mhm. That is what I want. Alright, so now we have that working. Now I think we should make a counter. So let's call this counter. Let's call it like clicks counter. So it's not mistake again. That's okay. So maybe I do. I do that. And let's change the corner. Let's counter. I do not want to call it counter. Um, now it's here. Um, okay, now let's do this. No, I don't want to do that. Then we can set this to this. And yeah, by the way, guys, I'm sorry that I'm being quiet. I'm just kind of like focused, even though I shouldn't be that focused. Um, function change the script dot parent dot text equals next. That first amplifier dot meters. That's dot clicks dot value. Change counter. You're not very well clear out dot meter stats. Clicks get property. Change signal. The value connect. Change counter. Exclamation marks. Alright, if this works, then we can do it with the other ones. Yep, it definitely does work. I don't know what this is. I guess that's just for me, but if it doesn't work. Alright guys, so this works. So we can so what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna duplicate this again. Okay, you know what, this is fine. This is gonna be like gems, and this is gonna be rebirths. Obviously, that these are like all spaced out correctly. You know what, let's actually just like do this. Control, like put that in a folder. Counters, and then these bad boys back. Okay, let's see here. Vertical, I don't know what that even means. So center, no, six or something. Six would be good. Right. So this is reverse counter, and then let's just do like this. I can get that back. It's like a bug in Roblox, or maybe it's just me. I don't know. But this is reverse counter, and that means that this was gems counter. That's not bad. Well, let's see this, and then so we want to just change a few things like this. So let's like make it for that like we like to do like this. No, I like this. Yeah, this looks perfect. And rebirths, let's see here. That looks pretty good. I want to find like a good one. I think that'll work. That would work. Also, I'm gonna like change this a bit, like to like 0.8. That looks better. So, gems. Yeah. Rebirths counter. We want to change this, and then change this 37. Actually, maybe we can make that bigger. I think I was doing that wrong last time. No, okay, 40. Okay, so just make it 44. We want to make it as big as possible, just for like the maximum looks, and not this. Here it is. So this is gems. So let's just do that. Okay, now we're gonna delete this, because, like, no, like, that gems not interesting. Not this, oh yeah, I forgot to delete that. As you can see, it all works. And I just realized that I did not change it. This, and, this. Okay, now this should work. That's fine, that's, like, yeah, yeah, we'll just change this, like, this being to be clicked. Or we should not change that right now because that would take too long. Maybe next episode. Um, so I think this is gonna be it for now. If this helped you, then yeah, I don't know. Maybe just watch the next episode. I will see y'all later. Goodbye.